Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update, install error 0x80070020 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side and scroll down to Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and then click on Run corresponding to Windows Update. Now this is one solution, but if it does not help, then we can straight away reset Windows Update component. So I have a script for you. Simply copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, go to Run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLL. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.